Get ready for an incredible day in Lima. From exploring the ancient Huaca Pucllana pyramid and soaking in ocean views at the Miraflores boardwalk, to tasting the best ceviche at LIMA and catching breathtaking city views from Cerro Sancristóbal, this itinerary is packed with must-see spots and hidden gems. Stay till the end for insider tips to make your trip unforgettable. Let's dive in. Best time to visit Lima. Lima, Peru is a city that thrives on its coastal charm, rich history, and vibrant culture. The best time to visit is between December and April when the weather is warm, sunny, and rain-free. During these months, temperatures hover around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. If you're visiting between May and November, expect cooler temperatures and Lima's famous garua, a misty drizzle, which blankets the city in a dreamy haze. While the winter months offer a mysterious, moody ambiance, it can be chilly along the coast, so pack accordingly. Lima Airport Tips. Flying into Jorge Chávez International Airport, LIM, the main gateway to Lima, expect a modern but busy airport experience. Upon arrival, you'll go through customs and immigration, which can take 30 to 60 minutes depending on the time of day. The best time to get from the airport to the city center is via official taxi services like Taxi Green or rideshare apps like Uber, which cost around 15 to 20 USD for a 40-minute ride to Miraflores or Barranco. Avoid unauthorized taxis at the airport to ensure safety. Where to stay in Lima? For a memorable and vibrant stay, base yourself in Miraflores or Barranco, two of Lima's most tourist-friendly districts. Miraflores is perfect for first-time visitors, offering breathtaking ocean views, upscale restaurants, and access to key attractions. Hotels range from budget-friendly options, 50 to 70 USD per night, to luxury stays, 150 to 250 USD per night. Barranco, known for its bohemian vibe, street art, and lively nightlife, is ideal for those looking to experience Lima's artistic and cultural side. How to get around Lima. Lima's public transportation can be chaotic, so the best way to explore is by Uber, taxis, or renting a bike. A taxi ride within the city costs around 5 to 10 USD, while Uber fares are slightly lower. For those looking to save money, the Metropolitano bus system offers a fast and reliable way to get around with fares at 0.7 USD per ride. If you're up for an adventure, rent a bike in Miraflores for 10 to 15 USD per day and cruise along the scenic Malecón, a picturesque boardwalk overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Morning, the Plaza de Armas and Centrohistórico. If you're visiting Lima for the first time, there's no better place to start than Plaza de Armas, the city's vibrant main square right in the heart of the Centrohistórico, historic center. This lively square is surrounded by stunning colonial architecture, bustling street vendors, and a constant flow of locals and tourists soaking in Lima's rich history. To get here, grab an Uber or a taxi for around 5 to 8 USD from Miraflores or Barranco. Once you arrive, take a moment to breathe in the energy of the plaza. The Grand Government Palace, the Archbishop's Palace, and the Municipal Palace stand tall around you, offering a glimpse into Lima's Spanish colonial past. It's the perfect spot to snap some postcard-worthy photos. While you're here, don't miss the chance to step inside the Basilica Cathedral of Lima, one of the most iconic religious landmarks in Peru. Originally built between 1535 and 1649, its ornate facade and intricate interior are absolutely breathtaking. Inside, you'll also find the crypt of Francisco Pizarro, the Spanish conquistador who led the conquest of Peru. If you have time, opt for a guided tour for 4 USD, which offers a deeper look into the cathedral's fascinating history and hidden chambers. From the plaza, take a leisurely stroll through the Centrohistórico, where you'll be surrounded by colorful colonial buildings, lively markets, and charming boutique shops. Wander through Girón de la Unión, a pedestrian street lined with cafes, souvenir shops, and stunning architecture. Insider tip. Visit the Centrohistórico during daylight hours. While it's a fantastic area to explore in the daytime, it becomes less safe after dark, and tourists lingering in the area can become easy targets for petty crime. Plan your visit between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. for the best experience. The Basilica y Convento de San Francisco. Just a short 5-minute walk from Plaza de Armas, tucked away in Lima's Centrohistórico, you'll find one of the city's most fascinating landmarks, the Basilica y Convento de San Francisco. This stunning yellow-hued church and monastery is an absolute must-visit, not just for its ornate Baroque architecture, but for the spooky yet intriguing catacombs hidden beneath it. For just $4, your admission includes a guided tour that takes you through the monastery's beautifully adorned halls, ancient library with thousands of antique books, and intricately decorated church. But the real highlight and thrill comes when you descend into the dimly lit underground catacombs where thousands of human bones have been arranged in eerie patterns. This haunting experience gives you a chilling glimpse into Lima's colonial past, as these catacombs served as a burial site for over 25,000 people centuries ago. If you love history with a side of mystery and adventure, this spot is a can't-miss experience in Lima. Insider tip. Tours are only available in groups, and the last tour of the day starts around 4:30 p.m., so be sure to plan your visit accordingly. If you're feeling extra adventurous, ask your guide about the secret tunnels rumored to connect the monastery to other parts of Lima. Explore Miraflores and Barranco. If you're looking for the best places to explore on foot in Lima, Miraflores and Barranco should be at the top of your list, especially on a sunny day when the city's vibrant energy is in full swing. These two neighborhoods are safe for travelers and packed with exciting things to see and do. Start in Miraflores, an upscale and stylish district known for its trendy restaurants, bustling shopping centers, chic rooftop bars, and stunning parks. One of the best ways to soak it all in is by taking a walk along the Miraflores boardwalk, Malecón de Miraflores, where you'll be treated to jaw-dropping views of the Pacific Ocean. If you're feeling adventurous, consider paragliding over the cliffs for around $80. It's an unforgettable experience. Keep walking south and you'll soon arrive in Barranco, Lima's artsy and bohemian district. This neighborhood is known for its colorful colonial buildings, world-class street art, boutique shops, and lively nightlife. If you love art, check out the Mate Museum, $6 entry, founded by the famous Peruvian photographer Mario Testino, or simply wander through the streets admiring the vibrant murals and charming cafes. Barranco also comes alive at night with trendy bars, live music venues, and buzzing nightclubs that make it a hotspot for both locals and travelers. If you're in the mood for cocktails, Ayahuasca Resto Bars, set in a stunning 19th century mansion, is a must-visit for unique handcrafted drinks, $10 to $15 per cocktail. Lunch, La Lucha Sanguchería Criolla, in Miraflores. When hunger strikes in Lima, La Lucha Sanguchería Criolla is the top spot to grab a delicious, no-fuss meal. If you see a long line of locals and tourists eagerly waiting outside, don't worry, it moves fast and it's worth it. Located right in Miraflores, next to Park Kennedy, John F. Kennedy Park, this beloved sandwich shop serves up some of the best sandwiches in Lima alongside crispy golden fries, arguably the best in all of Peru, and freshly squeezed juices. For a truly Peruvian experience, try the chicharrón sandwich, $6. A heavenly combination of crispy pork, sweet potato, and salsa criolla on fresh, warm bread. Pair it with their famous papas fritas, $3, and a refreshing lacuma smoothie, $4, made from a unique Andean fruit with a caramel-like flavor. Insider tip. Seating is limited, so grab your meal to go and enjoy it in Parque Kennedy just across the street. It's a great way to soak in the energy of Miraflores while indulging in a truly mouth-watering Peruvian sandwich. Afternoon, explore Huaca Pucllana in Miraflores. Right in the middle of modern Miraflores, surrounded by high-rise buildings and bustling streets, lies an astonishing piece of history, Huaca Pucllana. This ancient adobe and clay pyramid, built around 500 AD by the Lima culture, is a striking reminder of what this region looked like long before skyscrapers and traffic-filled avenues existed. Visiting Huaca Pucllana feels like stepping into a hidden archaeological gem where you can walk through maze-like ruins, learn about pre-Incan traditions, and even see preserved artifacts. The best part? Entry costs just $4 and a fascinating guided tour is included with your ticket, running every 30 minutes. These tours bring the history of this indigenous coastal civilization to life, giving you a deeper appreciation of Lima's past. If you're short on time, you can also book a Lima City tour, $40 to $50, which includes a visit to Huaca Pucllana, along with stops at El Parque del Amor, Plaza San Martin, and other must-see attractions. Insider tip: visit Huaca Pucllana in the late afternoon when the golden sunlight casts dramatic shadows over the ruins, perfect for photos. If you want to dine with a view, check out Huaca Pucllana restaurant, which overlooks the ruins and serves delicious Peruvian dishes with a modern twist. Browse Mercado Number 1 de Cerquillo. One of the best ways to truly experience a country's culture is by visiting a local market where everyday life unfolds in the most authentic way possible. Markets are where grandparents, parents, and kids gather, where vendors call out their daily specials, and where centuries-old culinary traditions come alive through fresh ingredients and time-honored recipes. In Lima, Mercado Number 1 de Cerquillo is the place to go if you want to witness real limeña culture. Located just a 10-minute walk from Miraflores, this bustling and colorful market is packed with exotic fruits, fresh seafood, vibrant spices, and unique Peruvian ingredients that locals have been cooking with for generations. If you've never seen lucuma, chirimoya, or camu camu before, get ready to taste some of the most unique flavors of Peru. Now, let's be real, this market isn't spotless and you might catch some strong aromas coming from the meat and fish stalls, but that's part of the charm. What it lacks in polish, it makes up for in energy, friendly vendors, and unbeatable prices. You can grab a fresh fruit smoothie for just $2 or sit down at one of the small food stalls and enjoy a plate of ceviche for $6 to $8 made fresh right in front of you. Insider tip: if you're feeling adventurous, try a surtido, fruit juice $3, a mix of various Amazonian fruits blended together for a refreshing and unexpected flavor. Also, bring small bills as most vendors don't accept cards. Late afternoon, discover coastal Peruvian food on a foodie tour. If you're a food lover, one of the absolute best things about visiting Lima is diving into its incredible coastline cuisine. From the refreshing tang of ceviche to the savory goodness of lomo saltado, Lima is a paradise for your taste buds. Some must-try dishes include jalea limeña, crispy fried seafood, conchas negras, black clams served with lime and spices, and tiradito, a Peruvian take on sashimi with spicy ají amarillo sauce. If you want to maximize your time and experience the best of Lima's food scene, consider booking a foodie tour that takes you on a delicious adventure through the city's hidden gems. One of the best options is the Lima Colors and Flavors walking tour, $55 per person, which takes you off the beaten path from the artsy streets of Barranco to the historic fishing village of Chorillos. Along the way, you'll sample traditional Peruvian dishes, visit local markets, and even learn about the city's vibrant street art and history. Evening, drive through Rimac and up Cerro Sancristobal. Most visitors to Lima stick to Miraflores and Barranco, but if you're looking to see the city beyond its tourist-friendly districts, consider venturing into Rimac, a neighborhood that many travelers overlook. Perched along the slopes of Cerro Sancristobal, Lima's tallest hill, this area offers a stark contrast to the polished parts of the city. From afar, Rimac's colorful shantytown houses look picturesque, but up close, you'll see the harsh realities that many limeños face every day. That said, this is not an area to explore on foot alone, but if you want a raw and eye-opening experience, you can hire a trusted taxi driver or book a guided tour, $20 to $30 round trip, to take you through Rimac and up to Cerro Sancristobal. This steep, winding drive is an adventure itself, offering glimpses of daily life in one of Lima's most impoverished neighborhoods. You'll see locals chatting outside their homes, kids playing soccer in the streets, and street vendors selling snacks, all while being met with curious and friendly smiles. Once you reach the top of Cerro Sancristobal, get ready for one of the most jaw-dropping panoramic views of Lima. From here, you can see the city stretch endlessly toward the Pacific Ocean, a mesmerizing blend of urban sprawl, colonial architecture, and the towering cliffs of the coast. Insider tip: visit just before sunset for the most spectacular golden hour views of Lima, but avoid going after dark as both Rimac and Cerro Sancristóbal can be unsafe at night. If you're unsure about visiting on your own, you can join a guided tour, $40 to $50 USD, that includes a visit to the historic center and Cerro Sancristóbal for a safe and immersive experience. Dinner at Astrid y Gaston. For a truly unforgettable ending to your time in Lima, dining at one of its world-class restaurants is a must. Lima is home to some of the most prestigious restaurants in the world, making it a top foodie destination for travelers looking to experience exceptional cuisine. Before my trip, I knew I had to secure a reservation at Astrid y Gaston, one of Lima's most renowned restaurants. At the time of my visit, it was ranked number 7 in the world, so I booked a table a month in advance, and it was worth the wait. We opted for the chef's tasting menu, $120 USD per person or $180 USD with wine pairings, which consisted of 13 meticulously crafted courses that showcased the best of modern Peruvian cuisine. Each dish was a stunning work of art, beautifully plated, and somehow tasted even better than it looked. From exquisite seafood dishes to Amazonian-inspired flavors, every bite was a journey through Peru's rich culinary heritage. The setting only elevated the experience further. Housed in a 300-year-old hacienda, the restaurant had an elegant yet relaxed ambiance, making our 3-hour dining experience feel like a dream. Astrid y Gaston delivered flawless service, an incredible atmosphere, and a meal I'll never forget. Insider tip: if you can't snag a reservation at Astrid y Gaston, consider Central, one of the top-ranked restaurants in the world, or Maido, famous for its Nikkei cuisine, a blend of Peruvian and Japanese flavors. Book at least a month in advance to secure your spot at these legendary dining destinations. And that wraps up your perfect one-day adventure in Lima. From stunning coastal views in Miraflores to exploring the historic Plaza de Armas and indulging in world-class Peruvian cuisine, you now have the ultimate guide to experiencing the best of Lima in just 24 hours. Did you love this itinerary? If so, make sure to check out our Antigua Guatemala travel guide for even more hidden gems, insider tips, and unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest travel guides. See you in the next adventure.